Welcome to the Portis Wallet Review. In this video, we'll explore how this browser-based cryptocurrency wallet can streamline your digital asset management. Portis is a simple yet powerful tool for users looking to connect to decentralized applications, dApps, and securely manage their crypto assets directly from their browser. Unlike other wallets, Portis doesn't require any complex setups or additional software. Just create an account, and you're ready to start. After signing up, you can access Portis from any device with internet access, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience and mobility. Portis supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving you the flexibility to manage your portfolio in one place. The wallet also features a clean and intuitive interface, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Portis Wallet's standout feature is its seamless integration with dApps. Whether you're exploring DeFi, NFTs, or blockchain-based games, Portis makes connecting and transacting straightforward. You'll find it easy to authorize transactions directly within the wallet without needing external tools or extensions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is another highlight of Portis. Your private keys are encrypted and stored securely, ensuring your funds are protected while giving you full control over your crypto. The wallet also includes multi-factor authentication for added security. Portis is widely adopted across the blockchain ecosystem, with support for numerous protocols and dApps. Its compatibility and ease of use make it a go-to wallet for anyone looking to interact with the decentralized web. If you're ready to simplify your cryptocurrency management, try Portis Wallet today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated on all things crypto.